TC-77 is an entry-level, general-purpose plug-and-play USB microphone that comes with a stand, a sock mount and a pop filter, everything you need to get. So here's the unboxing of TC-77, and here's first of all there's 2 years replacement warranty card, and there shows we can help you if there's a technical issue, packaging issue, wrong item, unsatisfied, operational issues. So this is a good warranty card, you keep it. And next thing is that there's a instruction manual book, and first of all they have contents like 1 2 and 3 4 5 5 languages. They are written by a good book: English, Dutch, French, Italian, Spanish. And they first of all showing that their computer setup, you have to plug in Apple microphone, Apple Mac TC, how to connect there, how to use there, and accessories there: microphone stand and a mini sock mount and pop filter, rubber band, and manual after sale card. So also there, according to 9 pages, they shows good manual book to how to install this microphone and how it work in Windows and Apple. So also is there's a pop filter to use, and and you have to adjust with the angle. There's no need any screwdriver, and this is a tripod or with connect with microphone to adjust wherever you like and how you want to adjust. It is a good for gaming and with pro working. So the TC is a small lightweight microphone with a plastic body and metal grill and a built-in USB cable. The body is attractive cobalt blue color with silver TONOR logo that looks sharp. Setup is easy, everything in the box and a nice protective place except from the foam cover, which was quite rather squished. I gently messed with the back and shape and pushed it on top of the microphone. The sock mount was already attached to the mic stand. I used a large Phillips screwdriver to adjust the angle that the mic was straight up and down. I unfolded the tripod legs to their fully extend position, thus giving us a much stability as possible for the mic. So it is not surprising at all to find that the sound on the TC-77 is good. I use it for conference call and work, use the microphone team. I use it for personal call with my family using records. I use it gaming while playing data. I use record replay commentaries of my gaming. Everything I spoke with said that the audio was clear. So the sound like from the 6 inches from microphone like this: hello mic testing, and the sound from 10 inches from microphone sound like this: hello mic testing. So it is a pretty good product for microphone to use, and it is good for gaming and for calling, for family, to work. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe this channel and